This video quickly walks you through on how to open 7Z file on Android. Let's just get right into it.
The first step is to install an application that will allow us to do that. So I will get to the Play Store. Look at my Play Store here, I will tap on it. Once the Play Store opens, you have to search for an application, which is Zarchiver. There are still other apps, but this can help you to open a zip file, 7-zip file. Okay, so I'll tap on search and tap inside the search area and then type Zarchiver. You can see that on the list. As I typed, it was suggested. So I'll tap on it. Then I'll tap on install. So wait for the application to be installed fully. And here the application has been installed. I will tap on open button. Once it opens, it will tell you Zarchiver needs permission to read, modify, and delete files to access your phone's files. Okay, so I'll tap on OK. Say allow access to manage all files. I'll check this button, so I'll tap on it and then I'll tap the back arrow to get back to the previous section. Then I'll tap on allow and I'll tap on OK. So this has now opened all the folders I have on my PC, on my Android phone right now. So I have this zip file, the 7-zip file inside documents. So the location of your own may be different. But here I saved in the documents folder. So I'll tap on documents. So this has shown some files that are in my documents folder. And look at the one that is 7Z here, the one named book specs.7z. I will tap on it. On tapping on it, it will provide me with some options. You will see view, you will see extract here, you will see extract to archive, name. Okay. So I'll go with the option of extract here. So I'll tap on that. And now the files have been extracted, all right, inside a separate folder, but now the folder is no longer zipped. All right, you can see book specs. That's a folder that is unzipped in this case. So I'll tap on that. So on tapping on that, you will see the contents of that particular folder. You can see here I have text file, all right, I have photo file, and I have PDF file.
If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.